not have treated these people who were pulled from their homes as the water was rising, didn't have a chance to get their medicines, didn't have a chance, came with nothing but a garbage bag of things at times to be cared for. So where do you start? We had wonderful, wonderful physicians from both hospitals. We had interns from the medical programs around, but we had to get the information, and being able to access electronically what those medications were and what the problems were. It was just invaluable to their treatment and their care.